Away from the official start of summer, that's June the 20th. But if you like it hot, then this is your forecast because it is really going to heat up. The temperatures today, almost 20 degrees warmer than where we were on Saturday. Remember when it was gloomy and cloudy? Today highs are headed for the 80s. And temperatures this week are going to be running 10 to 20 above normal, so there's going to be a risk for heat illness. The hottest days Tuesday through Thursday, and unfortunately the combination of that dry air and hot temperatures is going to be increasing the fire danger. And look at how it's going to affect air quality. We're still going to be good at the coast. That's where we have the green. Inland, moderate air quality, which is the yellow. So if you look off towards the mountains, it's going to look a little hazy, and it's unhealthy for sensitive groups around the Pasadena area, the San Bernardino Valley, Yucaipa, and over into Palm Springs. So here's a look at the numbers for everyone. It's going to be very different than where we were over the weekend. 80s this afternoon in the desert, 70s and 60s in the mountains. The Inland Empire is going to be flirting with 90 degrees. And we're not going to have any cloud cover. The marine layer is shrinking to the coast, so no cloud cover, sunny skies. The burn time, if you're outside for an extended period of time, is going to be quick. Put on the sunscreen. Upper 70s, low 80s for inland Orange County, Ventura County, seeing a mix of 70s and 80s. The San Fernando Valley, upper 80s, almost 90 in Santa Clarita. And here's your day in LA. 70s at the coast, 80 for Los Angeles, and temperatures inland will be in the low to mid 80s. That system we had over the weekend is moving out of the way. High pressure is moving in and will only be stronger as we get to the middle of the week. Look at what it does to the temperatures in Los Angeles. A high of 80 today, tomorrow 87, Wednesday 92. Amigos, the average high is 75. We're going to be well above that through the middle of the week. So that means that the risk for heat illness will be going up. If you don't have an adequate way to stay cool, you got to find it. That's the best way to get through this heat and stay hydrated. Here's a look at the forecast. We have 80 today, mid 80s tomorrow. Wednesday, we're in the 90s, and you see the numbers don't really come down until we get into the weekend. And even then, those temperatures will be above normal. At the coast, not seeing any more marine layer. It's slowly going to shrink and go away. Temperatures around 80 degrees on Wednesday. The valleys, the Inland Empire, upper 80s, 90s tomorrow, even hotter. Wednesday and Thursday is the day where we could see some triple digits, especially Wednesday. Then the temperatures start to cool down somewhat. Friday into the weekend, it won't be as hot. The deserts will have windy weather today. Tomorrow, it's going to be even hotter. We're headed for the triple digits over in the Palm Springs area and in the mountains. Warming into the 70s the rest of the week. Windy today. Still some lingering winds tomorrow. That's your forecast. Now a check of the drive. Here's Robin.
Good morning. Good morning.